What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
White man or black man? I don't even know that one. These some new ass questions, son.
What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to our next episode of the question, which is episode 11. And right now we're back in Portmore, as you guys can see. So watch out now, without further ado, peeps. Let's kick it off. You don't know your boy Jnel. Go on the way. Alright, my G, first thing I want you do, just give me a name.
Well, you don't know, say I touch, you know. From Waterford, this is my taxi driver, you see it?
Lambert, Jasmine, Kevane, Paris, Marie. My name is Tasik and you're at Fresh Beats at Sovereign Village, Portmore, Shop 2. So you can come check out the place.
Jerry.
Takwara.
Ken. Elvis. As fruits, you know.
Dante Ferry.
Hamilton, my name is Fitzroy Hamilton.
Andrew.
Alena, and you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Alena TV.
My name is Latoya.
Kimoni. Nayoka. D.
Nick. Rankin.
Chad.
Yo, this is your boy Sean C, representing for Jnel TV, and big up to all my supporters, all my fans and there, you know what I'm saying? Here I am, what up, what it's all about. This your boy Sean C. Stay the state, city to the city, you know how it is.
You know it is.
Yeah.
What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
No, that one there.
Incorrectly in the dictionary. No word to spell incorrectly in the dictionary.
No, some no one there.
Think about it.
Which word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary? Which word spelled incorrect?
Incorrectly in the dictionary.
No word no in a dictionary where spelled incorrect. Everything must be right in a dictionary, man.
What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary? I don't know about that one. Most incorrectly.
You say incorrectly?
Yeah, man. Most incorrectly.
Incorrectly.
Well, I don't know that one. I'm not going to lie bad boss.
Think about it, man. What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
In the dictionary. Well, still don't know that one. I'm not going to treat it on a life family.
Still don't know that one?
Yeah, I still don't know that one there.
What word is spelled
Incorrectly in the dictionary.
Why, man?
Incorrectly.
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 Repeat the question.
No, man, let me teach answer it, no, man.
What word is spelled
Word is spelled.
incorrectly in the dictionary?
All I know this can edit out though.
No, man. You know what answer, bro, God.
Incorrectly.
What word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
White man or black man? I don't even know that one. These some new ass questions, son. What word is spelled miscorrectly in the dictionary? Probably maybe be
Incorrectly.
incorrectly. Black man. I don't know. I can't tell you that one. That one passed, man.
Black man and white man.
Black man and white man.
Oh, you get that? Oh.
The two of them just be fighting against each other. They hate each other. You know what I'm saying? Black men and white people, they hate each other. You go to white country, black, you be like, I hate that black nigga. You come to black country, you be like, he hate that white nigga. But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, love everybody. You know what I'm saying? Sean Cyril love everybody. Let's sell people. You know what I'm saying? Word.
What gets smaller every time you take a bath?
What gets one?
What gets smile? I don't know.
Think about it, man. Think about it. What gets smaller each time you take a shower?
Another one there.
Eh?
No, no.
You said if I get a try?
No, sir.
What gets smaller each time you take a shower?
You say?
What gets smaller and smaller, right? Each time you take a shower.
What gets smaller every time you take a shower? What gets smaller every time you take a shower? The one that's sticky, you can't answer the question, Esther. What gets smaller every time you take a shower? I don't know that one there.
Dirt? Dirt.
What gets smaller?
Yeah.
Every time I take a shower. Why am I not answer that? Say that?
You don't know that one. It's simple, you know, man.
No, it's if you did put me from my yard now. I don't know if I say.
What gets smaller? What gets smaller?
Every time you take a shower. What gets smaller every time you take a shower?
Soap. Bad soap?
What gets smaller each time you take a shower?
Wait. I don't know, soap?
Huh?
Soap? Yeah. Oh, soap! Start with him first, huh?
Hold on, I'm general leader.
Soap, man.
Soap.
The soap bar.
The soap.
The soap gets smaller every time you take a shower.
Soap. Soap.
Alright, what gets smaller every time I take a shower? Yeah, soap, man.
Soap.
It can't be soap. No, because some people use body wash. So.
Yeah, but soap are there. You know?
Soap.
And each time you use a body wash, it will get smaller.
It's true, soap, something like that.
Yeah. Alright. What gets smaller every time you take a shower?
What gets small every time I take a shower?
Yeah.
Boy, that's a tough one, my nigga. What gets smaller? I know my shit be getting bigger when I take a shower. So what gets smaller?
Up. Yeah.
I couldn't tell you that one. Tell the truth, that's a tough one for a nigga. For real, that's a tough one. What gets smaller every time I take a shower?
Yeah.
Boy, that's a tough one for a nigga. What really do get small when I take a shower?
Think about it, man.
I'm thinking.
What gets smaller every time you take a shower?
Damn. Every time I take a shower, if my hair is pulled out, you know what I'm saying? If it's in an afro and shit, when it's pulled out and I wet it, it just shrinked up. But regardless, my shit is tall, you know what I'm saying?
The more you have it, the less you see. What is it?
The more I have it, the less I see it.
More I have, less I see. The one that I leave I think about if you answer that one. Okay, I say, yeah, I don't have your eyes, so I go see everything though.
Yeah. The more you have it, the less you see. What is it?
Money.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Where you get money?
I work for it.
No, we mean like, how you get money for the answer?
Because the more I see it, the less I see it after.
You say that no?
No, sir.
You say ready? The more you have it, the less you see. What is it?
I don't know that, sir.
The more you have it, the less you see.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know what I swear to God.
You give up on that one?
Yeah. I want there.
Yeah.
No, you have it, let you see it.
Let you see. Let you see.
Not see it enough.
Not see it enough. The more you have it, the less you see.
I don't know that one. That one. That one there, we can't get that one there.
You know where your eye? Yeah? Your eye? What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? You know that one there. The more you have it, the less you see it. More, man, you know that one there? The more you have it, the less you see it.
Much of the tree, man.
Help me out. The more you have it, the less you see it. The less you see.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, 3 for 100, daddy. I pass that one day, no, my boss. Yeah, man, for true, man. That one day I bust my brain.
That one is sticky, daddy, in a real life. That one is sticky.
Yes, you don't know that one?
Yeah, I don't know that one. You catch me on a point where I'm not even a circle long right now. The selling mode me upon.
It cannot be money. What money? I don't know. I don't know.
The more you have it, the more you have it, the less you see. The more you have it, the less you see.
Weed, man. I get high, man. I can't see, bro, God. Yeah, man, on TV, I want to see it, man. Weed is life.
Yeah, man, I real chat. Different is still my G. I go with the dog, answer glaucoma. Wise answer that.
The more things I have is lady like these when I introduce the niggas like y'all, you know what I'm saying? When the more I have these females around me, nice lady like these ladies around me, it's like I show them to niggas like 10 over there, you know what I'm saying? She ain't gonna be here no more. He got a car, he got a whip, he got everything, you know what I'm saying?
So basically,
so if I share my woman and shit with niggas like these niggas, I ain't getting her back. So, man, say my girls and shit.
So your girls?
Yeah, I don't want to share my girl with no nigga.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions, which is episode 11, right? And right now we're in a Portmore. So watching the peeps, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe. And when you subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified after every upload. Follow me on Instagram, JNL_1. Follow Buntu, BUHN_reaction. And please, guys, check out the music video after this. It's a music video featuring me, Buhn, and Bricks Gang. You don't know our song, you understand? So I want you guys to go over there and check it out and give it some love. And while you're at it, after you finish the video, you can just go and pre the vlogs because we have a vlog channel as well. Links will be in the description with the vlog channel so you guys can check out some vlogs while you're at it. You don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching, peeps. And I'm out.
You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no.
Yeah. And when I wake up in the morning, I really wanna feel your body next to me. I wanna tell you all my stories. Yeah.
Ay, I pull up on her in a whip, I was low key. She was like, baby boy, you don't know me.